What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am going to be walking you through this crazy Klipsch Pro system with SVS subs, JVC projection, and a zero edge SI AT Slate 1-2. This is a killer system at a really reasonable price point in comparison to the performance that it provides. The configuration of Atmos that we're running is a 7.2.6. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you in on this demo and I hope you enjoy. Let's go.
Closer to qualifying for the Champions League. The name of the game is Cutthroat.
God, the picture looks so good, doesn't it? Yeah.
Go easy on me, guys. Which ones?
All of them!
I tried to take the microphone up to each speaker for you guys so you could hear some of the effects ripping through the room. It may be hard for you to hear because, you know, there are I mean, I'm just using little microphones, but most of the sound's coming from the front soundstage, but you can hear clearly all of the little shrapnel and everything like that ripping around the room, above, below you, or above, beside you, behind you, everywhere. It sounds amazing. Okay, that is a wrap on the demo. I hope that you guys enjoyed that and found this video informative in helping you make a buying decision. Make sure to check out the complete walkthrough of this space, as well as all of our other content on the channel. We have so many home theater videos out there helping you guys make an educated buying decision. So subscribe down below. And if you would like to purchase anything for your home theater, make sure to give us a ring and we'll get you that lowest price guaranteed with nationwide free shipping and a free design service. If you guys are in the framing stage and you don't know what to do, we'll be happy to help you out. That is the best time to get the wiring in place, as well as get all of your construction brackets lined out. Okay, guys, well, till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.